Question says that on an open ground, a motorist follow a track that turns to his left by an angle 60 degree after every 500 meters. Starting from a given turn, specify the displacement of a motorist at the third, sixth and eighth turn. Compare the magnitude of the displacement with the total path length covered by the motorist in each case. So we have to calculate the magnitude of displacement as well as path length or the distance from the starting point at third, sixth and eighth turn. So let us create the trajectory of the motorist. Motorist start at point A, it moves to point B, traveling 500 meters, turns 60 degree left, reaches point C, again turns 60 degree left, reaches point D, again turns 60 degree left, and reaches point E. It repeats, reaches point F, and then again reaches point A. So we have to calculate till 8th turn. So we will mark the turns. Started at point A, B would be the first turn, C would be the second turn, third turn, fourth turn, fifth turn, sixth turn, again seventh turn and eighth turn. We have to calculate distance as well as displacement at third, sixth and eighth turn. So let us begin calculation of the third turn. So third turn is at point D, started from point A. So the total path length would be 500 meter. Path length would be AB plus BC plus DC, and that would give us 1.5 kilometer. So the distance is going to be 1.5 kilometer. And the displacement would be calculated by drawing a straight line from point A to D. Now we see that this is a hexagon. So together this both will make 180 degree, and this is 120 degrees. So this is going to be 60 degree, and again this is going to be 60 degrees. So the length AD would be AB cos 60 degree plus BC plus DC cos 60 degree, and that is going to be AB cos 60 degree is 500 meter into 1 by 2. It means 250 meter plus 500 meter plus again 250 meter. This is going to be 1 kilometer. So the displacement would be 1 kilometer. Now let us calculate for sixth turn. So we see that at the sixth turn, the motorist is at the starting position, like at A. So its total displacement is going to be 0 because initial and final point has become same. So its displacement is going to be 0. Whereas distance would be AB plus BC plus DC plus EF plus FA plus EF. it also means that 6 into 500 meters, and that would be equal to 3 kilometers. So the distance would be 3 kilometers. Now let us calculate for 8th turn. 8th turn is here at point C. So here we see that the distance is AB plus BC, which is equals to 1 kilometer. Sorry, distance would be after whole path it covers AB plus BC twice. So after covering whole 3 kilometers, it covers 2 times 500 meters, 1 kilometer. So it is going to be 4 kilometers. And the displacement would be a straight line. Joining A to C. Now this is in this triangle ABC. We see that BC is equals to AB, so the angle would be same, opposite angles would be same, and since angle BCA is 120 degree, so angle ACB and angle BAC would be 30 degree each. Now since we have to calculate AC, that would be equal to AB cos 30 degree plus BC cos 30 degree. That would give us 500 cos 30 plus 500 cos 30. So this will become 500 multiplied by 2 times cos 30, which is going to be 0.866, and this will give us 1000 times 866, and that is equals to 866 kilometers. So displacement is going to be 866 meters. Sorry. And AC is making an angle of 30 degree from the initial direction, that is AB. Thank you.